Here we are, Ryan with Huckel's again, directional team, drilling team, out there from the sidewalk, right in the street. He's drilling back to bring in a new discharge line for a sump pump. And he's making his way back now. He's gone all the way underneath that concrete and those catch basins. And he's trying to shoot for this hole right here. Let's see how he does here. I can see the dirt moving. Dirt's moving. Yep, there he is right there. He just came through. Right there. Let me clear this head off here. And there's the drill head right there. And there's the drill head right there. Nice shot, exactly what we wanted. Right next to the pump vault. Then they'll pull the new line all the way out to the curb. Another nice drill job by Huckel's directional drilling team. Good job, Rob and Aiden.